Oh, hello.
Yo, what's up, dude?
We finally made it somewhere right at the end of the day, dude. Look at that sunset.
Something down there, dude.
Is it a mountain lion? Oh, look at that big cloud of gnats. Oh yeah. All right, everyone. We are in Theodore.
It's like 9 o'clock, so.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. The sun is almost down over that mountain. We're in Theodore Roosevelt National Park. This is the very tip of it we're gonna get today. We might go hiking down there a little bit, but obviously the sun's setting, so we'll see what we can do.
See if we can see the stars.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, we're gonna see how the stars are at night, because they might be pretty naughty. Yeah, so let's hike down there and see what we can do. The sun is going down, so we must act quickly.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
Oh yeah, everyone. Theo Rosie, something's in those bushes. Theo Rosie National Park. I don't think, because it loops, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Hopefully the sun doesn't go down on the way back, or it might be a little more difficult.
Yeah, I got a flashlight.
You got is it the flashy flashlight?
No.
No! What if we run into a bison and we need a...
What's a manually strobe light?
Oh yes. Online poop? Only one way to try. Oh, one way to find out. Taste it.
Taste it. I suspect there is an eagle nearby. Whoa. How sturdy do you think this rock is?
I don't know. It looks like a pretty good rock, dude. That was
It broke, actually. Wasn't a sturdy rock.
Dang nabbit.
Yeah, look at that.
Nailed it. Where is this bringing us?
I don't know. Down here.
Well, let's figure it out. Go, 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 go. Wow. Steep. I think we've reconnected with the trail. Should have brought the head strap. Should have brought the head strap.
Oh, geez, you did that easy.
Toss it.
Oh, God.
Please make it. That was not again. Okay, not on the lens.
Keep that in there. So no.
Oh, I will. We're too cool.
We're cool.
Cool. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, jeez. This is picking up speed. Oh, my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, nutters.
Don't slip.
I started slipping.
Woo! Check it.
You got it?
If you throw it far enough. Oh, no.
Oh, an elephant.
We got it.
Yeah.
Ow. That was thorny.
Mr. Thornhead over here. Flip you, dude.
Cactuses.
Oh, no.
What the?
Should we eat one?
Here we go.
All right.
Look.
We've made it to the Mesoamerican society, the abandoned.
This is where they used to sit during meetings.
Let us demonstrate.
Very comfortable. Now you sit on my...
No.
I can hold you. It's gonna work. Oh!
Sure you can hold me?
Yes! Yes! Oh God!
Oh.
Currently, we are lost in the
still-
forest.
Still on, okay, we're still on the Painted Canyon Trail.
Yeah, it says it's gonna take 30 minutes. I don't know where we are now.
I mean, it said it was only half a mile. We definitely walked a half a mile already.
Yeah, probably. Was that the Painted Canyon Trail that was 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess we'll see where it goes. We got some thick bushels.
A bushel of bananas.
True, we did get a bushel of bananas. We've encountered a lot of strange individuals on this trip.
We're trying to find bear spray. And we go and ask this guy Cabela's, and he just gave us like this slight head nod, and he was like, "It's in the archery section."
Very strange. It was like the I'm gonna follow you home as you leave and do unquestionable things to you.
Yeah, and we said like thank you, and we're like thank you, and then he just continued to stare at us, and then we just went.
And you couldn't see like his smile under the mask,
Yeah.
but you know it was there. Rattlesnakes hang out in these holes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, this is creepy.
Welcome to the Forbidden Forest.
Where you find the worst horrors in the world.
Oh. Is that a parademon?
Yes.
I feel like we've changed ecosystems.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're back to this part. We still have to go up that hill.
Oh, yeah.
Plop Ryder out here. She wants to die?
Yeah.
Dude. Ooh, head first right into that.
Yeah.
What the heck? Isaac, what did you do to the sign?
You looked at me funny. Stay down.
Discretion, just so everyone knows we didn't ruin the sign.
No, it was like that
So
already. I'm not a mean person.
don't angrily comment. Thanks, bye. There's a rabbit in there. Can you see it?
We're hunting rabbits.
Where's a rabbit of hunting reason?
Everybody, come on.
What's a treat? Want a treat, rabbit? Bunny, you want a treat, bunny? Bunny.
The signs say not to interact with the wildlife.
It's a rabbit. Hello everyone. We are now in the middle of the grassland around Theodore Roosevelt National Park. And yeah, we're literally in the middle of nowhere.
We still have somehow like super good connection.
Yeah, we have perfect connection out in the middle of nowhere. We're literally on like top of a hill in the grasslands. We just walked out in the grass and plopped our tent down. We're just chilling. And you probably can't see it on the GoPro. Nope, you cannot. But there's like whole Milky Way galaxy stars up. We didn't even put on the rain cover. We're taking that risk. We're taking that risk. We're taking it. Well, we'll be back tomorrow for some epic content, dude. And hopefully next time we disperse camp, we won't have to set up the tent in the middle of the night, so we can actually like record our setup and actually cook food and stuff.
Yeah.
We're going on today with no dinner. We're going on today with no poopy. And hopefully tomorrow is a little smoother. A lot of driving again tomorrow, but I'm gonna do Theodore. Gonna see what happens. See ya.